What's up guys? We're back here with another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have our 1994 kit, and this is for a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it's to convert it to an SRT. Now, we also have our VZ10-1925 here, which is the front lip, which you can get these bundled together if you would like on the Vicrez website, and we'll have all of that down in the description below. Now, to install this front lip as well as this kit on a regular Jeep Grand Cherokee, you will have to buy our conversion kit, which is 1916, VZ10-1916, and then our SRT conversion kit to make it wide body for this to fit onto your Jeep. Now, if you already have a Trackhawk, then you can just go ahead and buy both of these and they'll fit right on. Now let's go ahead and open up this lip and show you what it looks like. Now, this is our gloss black finish for this lip, which I think looks amazing. And we already have an install video for both of these up on our Vicrez YouTube channel if you want to go check those out as well. Now this is our front lip, and it's really a fairly simple install. All you do is assemble it, and these are the side brackets we'll end up mounting to the side like so, with the included hardware on the inside. And then from there, you simply just slide it on and then bolt everything in place, which makes it really simple. Now let's go ahead and get into the wide body kit. Now, just like our other conversion kits, you'll have the included brackets, which for this one, you'll have 6 of them. You'll have 4 big ones and then 2 small ones. Let me go ahead and open this up so you guys can get a better look. Now, here's your 4 big ones, as you can see here. And then you'll have your 2 smaller ones, which you'll end up with 6 brackets in total. Now let's go ahead and get into the fender flares. Now you'll have 2 medium-sized ones, like this. And they're also with our gloss black finish. Now guys, these do not come painted, and we highly encourage you to get them painted because they look that much better after you do so. Or you could go ahead and wrap them yourselves if you would like. Now let's go ahead and pull out the bigger fender flares. Which look like this. And they also include the mounting point for your sensors, if applicable for your vehicle. And then last but not least are your smaller fender flares. And then a bag of the smaller connecting pieces, which will be at the bottom of the wheel well on the front and back. Now, that's it for this kit. And if you want to go check out the install video, it'll be linked down below. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.